In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom container in Webflow. This process is essential for establishing a consistent and responsive layout across your website, and it'll help ensure that your design looks great on all device sizes. Let's dive right in and break this down into easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll want to add a div block to your page. The div block acts like a container in which you can place content and apply styles. You can think of it as a building block for your layout. Once you've done that, you'll need to give this div block a class name. This is a crucial step because naming your classes clearly helps you keep track of your styling decisions. For instance, you might choose a name like Container, Main Container, or Custom Container. Choose a name that clearly indicates what this container's purpose is, especially if you plan to reuse it across several pages. Next, head over to the Style panel. This is where you'll define the look and behavior of your container. Start by setting the width to 100%. This ensures that your container can stretch and occupy the entire width of its parent element. However, so that things remain manageable and don't stretch too far on larger screens, we will adjust the max width to a specific size depending on your design needs. Common choices are 1200px, 1280px, or even 1440px. This range gives you flexibility and control. It keeps your content comfortably centered on the screen, preventing it from becoming too spread out on wide displays. To achieve perfect centering, you'll adjust the margins. Set the margin left to auto and the margin right to auto. By doing this, your container aligns itself right in the center of the screen. This auto margin method is a simple yet effective way to maintain balance and symmetry. Another important step is to add some breathing space inside your container by applying left and right padding. Consider adding between 20px to 40px of padding. This move ensures that your content doesn't feel cramped against the edges, particularly on smaller devices. When your site is accessed on various devices with differing screen sizes, this padding helps to maintain a clean and readable appearance. One of the great features of Webflow is the ability to reuse your custom classes throughout your site. By sticking with a single class for your container, you can achieve consistent layouts across all the pages of your website. This not only saves time, but also ensures uniformity, making your design process more efficient and your site more visually cohesive. This wraps up our guide to creating a custom container in Webflow. By following these steps, you've set a solid foundation for your website's layout. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy designing.